Sit, Ubu. They're sliding. There we go. All the gold bars were slipping. Here we go, Super. I don't think you're live, man, but you picked box number 55. I'm going to try one more. Oh, yeah, and I think I forgot, man, but I'll refund that shipping back. I'll throw it with your other one. So I'll refund all that shipping back tonight. I think I forgot to when I grabbed it. I can't remember. Maybe I did. Who knows? Got a patch. At least one. We have number /79, Marco Bellinelli, Paul Pierce, Kevin Garnett, Rick Barry, Arvidas Sarbonis. Got one patch here. This wasn't the one I was talking about. You got another one coming too. Number /25, Larry Nance. It's weird. Some packs have like 2 or 3 patches, and then some don't have any. Larry Nance, patch autograph. Number /25. Jersey autograph of Andrew Wiggins, $1.99. Nice hit there, Andrew. And your patch, quad patch. Just got one of those in the last box. This one is that Xavier? Oh, I'm sorry. Got it right now. KJ McDaniels, Cleanthony Early, Joe Harris, and Damian Inglis. Trying to make out who that dude was. Quad patch, 13 of 25. Shabazz Napier, number /199. Oh, see you later, Fisker. And number /149, Evan Fournier. And base. Arvidas Sarbonis. Pretty cool stuff. Super. Like I say, I'll get it with the other, and if I did collect 2 shippings, I'll refund that back tonight. See you, man.